Decadent Cappuccino Fudge Cheesecake Recipe, Indulgent Desserts. Hey there, dessert lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of indulgence with a mouthwatering treat, Cappuccino Fudge Cheesecake. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this creamy, coffee-infused delight. Ingredients. 1½ cups of crushed chocolate cookies. 1/4 cup of melted butter. 3 packages, 8 ounces each, of cream cheese, softened. 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk. 3 eggs. 2 tablespoons of instant coffee granules dissolved in 1 tablespoon of hot water. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, melted. Whipped cream and chocolate shavings for garnish. Instructions. Now that we have everything ready, let's start by making the crust. In a bowl, combine the crushed chocolate cookies with melted butter. Press this mixture onto the bottom of a greased 9-inch springform pan. Pop it into the fridge while we prepare the filling. Next, in a large bowl, beat the cream cheese until it's smooth and creamy. Gradually add in the sweetened condensed milk, eggs, dissolved coffee, and vanilla extract, mixing until everything is well combined. Finally, fold in the melted chocolate chips until you have a luscious, velvety mixture. Now, pour this heavenly mixture over the chilled crust, spreading it out evenly. Give it a few gentle taps to release any air bubbles. Then, it's off to the oven. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius, for about 55-60 minutes, or until the center is set. Once it's done, let the cheesecake cool completely before chilling it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect, creamy texture. And voila! Our cappuccino fudge cheesecake is ready to steal the show. Finish it off with a generous dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of chocolate shavings for that extra touch of indulgence. Every bite is like a little slice of heaven. Trust me, folks, this cappuccino fudge cheesecake is a true crowd pleaser that's sure to impress at any gathering. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delectable recipes. Until next time, happy baking. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.